This is the certified pre-owned 2017 Chevy Silverado 1500, stock number C7265. Check out the 22-inch factory-installed chrome rims. Although it's a midnight edition, this is a factory upgrade from that package. Furthermore, it's got the All-Star Edition package: front power reclining seats, floor-mounted console, wireless charging for your phone. You'll also see it's got the upgraded 5.3-liter V8 engine, and it's got heated driver and front passenger seats. It's a Z71, and it's got the Midnight Edition package, which includes spray-on bedliner, ultrasonic rear park assist, black door handles, black painted mirror caps, black front skid plate, and Z71 badging on the doors. This truck is priced right. This beauty has just 35,000 miles on it, and we've installed new brakes and new tires. Come see it at East Hills Chevrolet of Freeport, located at 42 East Sunrise Highway, quarter mile west of the Meadowbrook Parkway.